Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about strings. The string class is provided by the standard library, and the first thing you would need to do is to include the header file. The next thing I've done is I'm using a bunch of using declarations to bring in the objects into our program. So I need the cout, the cin, and the string class. So that's what I've done there. But there are several ways in which you can initialize strings. So one of the ways is actually to use a string literal. So Prabhu is a string literal, and I've defined a variable my name, and I've set it to be equal to that string literal. Yet another way is to actually use the string constructor. As you can see here, I'm calling a string constructor, and I'm initializing a string of length 5, and each character in the string is going to be the letter A. Here I'm using one string to initialize another string. So there's a source string and a target string. So city str is the target and city is the source. You can also receive input from the console and initialize strings. So that's what I've done here by using getLine. getLine is a utility provided by the IOStream library, and this enables us to actually capture strings with spaces in between them. So that's what I've done here, and I'm able to capture my profession. There are several utilities. Like I said, you can index into a string and then pick out specific characters in the string. So that's what is done here. And there's another function which can be used to get the length of the string, and that's what I've done here by calling the length function. Besides that, there are several other functions and utilities which can be used to manipulate strings. You can search for specific characters in a string. You can actually extract a substring and probably erase even specific characters in a string. So I will leave that as an exercise for you to try out. Now let's run this program and see what's the output that we would be getting. So as you can see, the first set of outputs that I'm expecting is my name and the string with 5 A's in it. So that's what's expected. Let's keep stepping over the code. So I'm going to expect Los Angeles, and that's what I get. And next it's going to prompt me to enter my profession. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say software engineer with a space in between, and that outputs my profession. And as you can see, it's also outputting the space in between the two words. The second character in my name is R, and that's obtained by indexing into my name, and that's output. As you can see, so my profession length has 17 characters in it, yes, which is the expected value. So with that, we come to the end of this program. The string class is an extremely powerful class, so I would suggest that you spend some time looking into it, doing some research into the various utilities that the string class provides. With that, we come to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.